Hi, and welcome to the Using the FBA Ship Methods video for 888lots.com. The purpose of this video is to take you through improvements that we've made to shipping individual item orders directly to the FBA facilities on your instructions. So in that case, there's no need for us to ship to you and then for you to ship to FBA. We will ship the product directly to the FBA facility based on your instructions. In the past, we have done this with our logistics team in the warehouse via email. And that's worked out fine, but we, based on customer feedback, want to improve that process, and we've actually added the facilities to attach the label files, the shipment plans, and the carrier labels directly to your order on the 888 Lots site. So hopefully that'll help us in the communication process, both with the warehouse and both with you as a customer. So let's talk about some things that we want to take care of that'll help your life in creating FBA orders on 888 Lots quicker and more efficiently. The first thing that you should do is to go and log into your Seller Central account. And then what we'd like you to do is to add 888 Lots as a ship from location. All right, this will assist you in that you can, as you're preparing FBA shipments, can just select 888 Lots as one of your ship from locations. All right, there is a link here on this slide that you can type in to directly access your address book. And then the 888 Lots address here at the bottom of the slide is what you should provide to add the ship from location. Once you've done that, you can just select that on future FBA shipments. Let's talk a little bit about the FBA shipping types, as we call them on 888 Lots. We support two different methods right now: the ship to FBA only. In that case, we will not be labeling the product for you. We will simply be preparing the shipments per your shipment plan, and then shipping the product once you've given us the carrier labels to the FBA facility. All right, so the important thing here is no labeling. With ship to FBA plus label, we will be doing the labeling, and that is the application of the label. The label you'll be providing for us from your Seller Central account. We will charge you a nominal fee of 20 cents per item if the item unit cost is $10 or greater. If the unit cost is $10 or less, there'll be a dollar charge per label, and that will go directly on your order in the cart when you start an order in the 888 Lots site. Okay, so let's actually log on to the 888 Lots site and create a individual items cart together and check out using one of our FBA shipment methods. So we're going to go to the individual items portion of the site, and I'm going to get my listing of items, but I'm interested in a certain product that I saw up there. And there it is. It's a radiation detector that I want to purchase. So I'm going to look at the item and add it to my cart using the Buy Now button and add that to my cart. Now that that item's in my cart, I'm going to go to my cart, and I see my listing there, and I'm going to go to the select shipping type selections. And in this case, I'm going to ask that the 888 Lots people, the warehouse logistics people, do the labeling and the shipping to FBA for me. So I'm going to select the ship to FBA plus labels. I do understand that there is going to be a charge added to my cart, and you see it there for the labeling, and that is again the 20 cents per item 29 pieces in this case of individual items, adding up to $5.80 in the cart. All right, and that's because the item again was priced at a unit cost of higher, $10 or higher. All right, once I've done that, I'm going to continue shopping. If I want to, I can add items, do whatever I want, and then at some point check out. So I've got one item. This is the only item that I'm interested in at this point. So proceed to check out. And I'm now going to be presented with the various shipment methods that are available to me as a customer. All right, I'm going to simply take the pay by wire method and confirm my order. So I'm going to agree to the terms. I've done many orders with 888 Lots, so I've read the terms and conditions documents before, and I'm going to submit the order. And that's as simple as it gets. So you're going to get a email, one with banking instructions that will be provided for me, but I'll also get an email about the order that I just placed. Now, once your order has gone through, you're going to want to add that item to your Seller Central account. That is, unless of course you've already purchased that same item from us previously. This video is not meant to be a tutorial on how to use Seller Central and setting up products, but we do have a Word document. That's actually a PDF that your sales rep can provide to you, and there'll also be a link on the FBA section of this document that step-by-step takes you through this process. But basically what you're doing is you're going to log into your Seller Central account, as you can see here, and you're going to add the product that you just purchased to your catalog of products. All right, and that's pretty easy for you to do because for the most part, our items, as you add them to our cart, our SKU number on the 888 lot site typically has the ASIN number as part of the SKU number. So you can simply copy and paste that from your order information, as you see I did with the radiation detector, and basically hit the Sell Yours button and start setting up your item. So in there, as the document takes you through it, you're going to provide the condition. Most of our products sold are in new condition. The price that you're going to be offering it up on, and the quantity. Remember, I bought 29 pieces on the order that we created on 88 lots previous to this. So I would fill in that information. The important part on that screen is that you're going to select the I want Amazon to ship and provide customer service for my items. Basically, I want the FBA fulfillment channel to handle this product for me. Once you've done that, you'll start what's called a shipping plan, and the document takes you through creation of that shipping plan, including where to ship it to. And you'll notice that in this part of the document, you may not be able to read it here on this video, but again, you'll see it on your Amazon Central account. That's why having that default ship from location of 888 lots is important. When we mentioned it at the top of our video, you'll set up any required prep materials for it, and then the next step will be to produce product labeling. The things that I want to mention that are important about this process is that you want to make sure that when you choose the labeling options, that you're choosing the specific 30 up labels, 1 inch by 2 5/8 inches on US letter. That will format the PDF file for the labels that we need you to send to us to be in the proper format that we're prepared to handle here at 888 lots. All right, and that will allow you to download the label file, and then you will review and build a shipment. All right, and there may be more than one location that you will have to grab shipment files for. So the 29 pieces may not all be going to the same location. They may be going to 2, 3, 4 locations, dependent on the algorithms that Amazon uses for fulfilling their channel. Once you've got both the label file and the shipment instructions, you're ready to send those documents to 888 Lots so that we can prepare your order. All right, so that's where we're going to pick up next. Okay, now that we've added the item to our catalog and we've gotten our product labels and shipment plans, we're ready to upload them to the 888 Lot site so that the logistics folks can start preparing the order. So I'm going to go to my account. Once you're logged in under your account, you're going to go here and you're going to click on Ship to FBA Order Processing. That'll bring up a dashboard showing you both your orders that are currently in some status of FBA processing, some that are completed that I've done in the past, and the one that we just created here together. It's listed as 20% complete because we've processed one of the steps along the way, and that's actually creating the cart, checking out, and adding the items on Seller Central. So the next step for us is really to upload the labels that we need. And remember, it's asking me for labels because I selected a shipment method that involved ship to FBA plus labels. So it knows that I need the labels as well as a shipment plan. So I'm going to click on the button here to get that accomplished. So I'm going to upload the PDF file with the labels. All right. Previous to this, I downloaded those onto my laptop here, and I'm going to upload the file. All right. I've uploaded the file and I got a success message. So, and if I have other files that I need to load, I can do that. So my order, of course, only had one item on it. So I have one PDF file. So you'll be loading up PDF files for the other items in your order as you need to. So when I'm done, I'm going to go back to the process overview, and it shows, hey, I'm done with the first stage here. It's marked as completed. And now I'm going to upload the shipment plan. That's usually a text file that we get from the Seller Central site. That's this right here. So I'm going to attach that and upload it to our website. Again, I have the opportunity to upload any other shipment plans that I need. Perhaps the items I selected in my cart need to be shipped to more than one FBA location. There'll be a separate shipment plan for each one of those locations. All right. Once I'm done with that, I can go back to my process overview page, and I'll see that the 2 steps that I needed to get done as a customer are now complete. I've uploaded up the labels, and I've uploaded up the shipment plans that I needed to get my order fulfilled. All right. At this point, I'm waiting on the logistics folks at 888 Lots to provide the shipment dimensions for every one of the shipments defined in my shipment plans. All right. Once I have those dimensions, the next thing that I will do is prep labels in Seller Central for those shipments. All right, we have now are at the point where we're waiting on the warehouse to provide us with the dimensions for all of the boxes in the shipments for our FBA order. When that occurs, you'll get an email telling you that's been accomplished. You'll log back on to the 888 Lots site and you'll go to my account again and to the same page, the FBA order processing page. When you get there, you'll see your order, and I see that the order that we placed is now listed as 80% complete. That tells me that the warehouse did complete the dimensions. And as you see, the next step is waiting on shipping labels. If at any point I need to view the details on the order and anything that's happened to the order up to this point, I can click on the View Overall Process Details, and that'll give me a page showing me all the steps in our process, including the dimensions that the warehouse uploaded for me. So I could click on View Dimensions, and I see that they prepped 3 different boxes there for us. All right, and at that point, the last step of the process would be uploading the shipping labels that I generated on Seller Central for this shipment. So that would be the last piece that we need to do. We click on Upload Shipping Labels. We browse to the point of that label file, and we upload the labels. All right, that should complete our process. And if I go to the plan now, everything is listed as completed, and we are all set. And we're just basically waiting on the actual shipment to occur. We're waiting on the 888 Lots logistics department to take your label file, place them on the appropriate boxes, and get those packages on the road to the FBA facilities that they need to go to. That's it. I hope this has helped, and I hope that you get to utilize this process very, very soon. Thank you for your time.